Good morning. Good morning. Ôi anh đã phê thế nào?
Cái khả năng quá lệ lô lệ sai vọt.
Vọt tán quá. Wow. Bằng cái gì khăn lo mấy thế mua last time. Capture thế capture đi mấy. À. Itong kita pasal ni isang kigente na. Nahamdan ko. Doubt na nga.
Go walking tài đi. Ngô.
Walking cái tài nghĩ mà.
You have every victory.
Hida.
Tiếng bị hiên nã thì mồm á.
Xin bị tay hiên nã thì anh năng quay TuiLiam rồi.
Ôi bé mình là cái lá mà má nó lại bên.
Alo mà.
Bé chỉ xuống tâm á.
Ông ban chú cái gì chứ?
Cái bottom zone. Ane tadi, ane hundagi. Mai nama bag di. Umoi kay zong. Ah, huntan wa. Tui tua eh.
Cái này còn bao nhiêu?
Ngabang lên được ta. Local version na pala. Hoy na niya sumo eh nấu nung căng gì vậy? Hoa nộp tòa thâu pala. Save adi here. Hello, we will go for exploring this village, maybe down there or one kind of river. I'm not sure. Let's check it out. It will be a tough day because the road's not gonna be easy. Hiya, gim hoye, ko gim ta.
Xin xuân thì ham nợ sử dụng.
Các kim na kim ngoại, các kim ngủ lâu. Whatever. Vlog đi hi mai. Cái battery không đẩy nãy em mua. Hai. Na uy nung zui di mo.
My partner.
Cuckoo. Hello. Close your mouth. Close your mouth.
à
Mà cái siêu đi.
hả dầu tung họ đi à tòa mông một câu đi lắm à hay lâu khuấy lắm nó nóng quỳ đi vậy
Bye, dos. And the journey begins. Giờ nhà phải là cái hàm lô. Hàm tại đi tới chứ. Cứ vậy phết này.
ไม่คงเป็นพ่อ อักลาวดี
Cái nào máy ăn liền.
mà ra giang đi plastic nhân
này cái điều
cái gì đến vợ
này đây là plastic xài cho hình chứ
Kita may. Wow. Rice.
cái mình đi mua cái ly gì đó cái ly gì ê cái ly junior nó mà uốn lâu nó lại rồi đúng lắm mà mi là lại nó phải đây đâu à
Alam PDN no, ito to nagtuan siya kada. Samdano. Hi guys.
Hi.
Tired?
no
Not really. Ah. Ole.
ngất bánh nè
Sis. What sis?
ok
Lang sige. Yeah. Cái dùng đốt sao?
payo payo dot se ấy tính rong mà chỉ đây đi this is the YouTube channel owner. She said take the towel. She told me to. And this is where
Small hut for rest.
Lobu.
No poppy, no poppy.
There is no poppy.
Lim kilaw
Don't say traffic jam mo.
Traffic jam.
Right now we have
Lim gila pat.
traffic jam.
Yang ki selfie new na. Tel phalo.
Oh, so.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
This is the third episode of the
Sumtuh visit. So now we are going to the dating place site of Kupching and Ngambom.
I hope you know that the movie is one.
Let's wait for our friends who are at the back.
Yeah, here I am the one who used to speak in English. But I'm not that good in English. As you see, we are so simple. I was wearing a sweater, so to wash it up. They are my friends. Here are my friends. They are coming. Hello guys. Another welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this place is so. This place is
Chill.
bamboos.
Bamboo Grove.
Pero sa
Bamboo.
kung natawag kumlihim. Walk.
Camera di mo.
Be careful.
Lolo kita isan.
Welcome back again. I hope you enjoy this video. There you see that the girl one is the owner one, and the behind the one is my friend.
The followers.
The followers, yeah. Yeah, the subscribers. Eh, no, the fans. The fans. There you can see the other groups.
Kylie and her party.
Kylie and her party is not. Yeah. Please subscribe. If you want to see her, I can show you. Lot of bamboo. Bamboo shoot, okay? But there is no restaurant here.
These are small size bamboo.
The big one is not having. Right now we are at America. Oh. Where is the bamboo leaf? I'll show you. Wait, guys. Yeah, these are the bamboo leaf, the dry one.
Dry bamboo leaf.
Yeah, dry bamboo leaf. This is flower. Let's say I don't know this name. Leaf. Let's say leaf. Yeah, this is what you see. Oh, very nice. I hope you see in your countryside.
Announcement. Natat.
No, not by name. Kylie and her name.
Vâng chia. Cái tối sáng.
My friends, the owner one. This one, yeah, you can see it.
Yes, I'm the owner.
And these are the people, our friends, the followers, and the subscribers.
Today I invite them.
Today the owner invite them.
Chân liều chim.
We are waiting for a bamboo. Hey, hello.
The bamboo stick is here.
On the way. Give
This
it
is
to
the bamboo
me.
stick. I'm the cameraman, the video man, so I don't need bamboo.
The video man.
The video man, yeah, the video man. It's better to say that, no? Kylie is here. Elmo is not. This is.
My bamboo. Not by name. Not by name. This boy, how many times do I have to set you?
We did not even reach the half of the trail, so we need more to go. Oh, so tired.
Pakarot. Hey, be careful.
The videographer is almost falling down. I'm so sorry that I was not ready. Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last. How do you know?
Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last.
Wow. Ow.
Yeah.
I will end this video right here. Say everybody to goodbye.
Let's meet again when we reach our destiny. Finally, wait. Finally. Oh, welcome to we came out of this place, Bangkisi, out of this bamboo. So yeah. Lim kilan yuk.
What the sun? Very hot. What the sun? What the sun?
Very sun. Finally, we are almost there, and the way. This camera just don't do justice because it didn't show all the tough part. So, oh my God, let me show you. See, this will be our way starting from here, and we start all the way from there. Oh, it's not visible. Yeah, from there. Woo, we did some acting. Finally, we could see the water.
Some water.
River. Wow, so clean. Kipat ngal dia mala. So, there they are. Oh, it's worth coming. Small hut. Where are everyone? No may tila. Wait, this is it. I could not even see because it's so sunny. Oh, I like it. Laman lang mo.
Yung kitong peki do.
Casino. What the name?
Okay, kitong peki do. 1, 2, 3.
Tu yang nak kaya leno video ada content.
Hit di. Hit tadi.
Nal.
Finally, we reached the place. Since I fall down.
Kylie.
We are heading back home now. Có camera quay đàn chị lỗ. Đi mạnh thế nào? Nó tung thời gian tầm tuổi nên nó. Papa nào không lên chuyển hỏi đi chả. Tay ơi. Oh my god. Ôi, hot đi à. Đáng tiếc cho mày luôn. We are back to this road now. We will be heading home through this way. It might take us like 1 or 2 hours. And I am so tired. I don't feel like vlogging anymore, so maybe I will end today's vlog here. If there's something interesting, I might turn on the video again. If not, then I'll just stop it here. I am so tired. Before even starting, I am already tired. My friends are clicking photo there. Let me show you. Yeah. Now there will be no more videos, just only video. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.